Hi everyone! So I'm in a collaboration that is hosted by Jessica Marvel, and there is a bunch of other wonderful ladies who are participating in this collaboration, and I will link them all down below in the description box so you can go check out what they made this week. So for this week, we were to make a trick-or-treat bag or a 3D coffin. So you guys know me, and I'm extra, and I did both. So let me share, I'll share the coffins with you guys. So you guys have seen this one before if you saw my other Halloween collaboration I was in, and I just love how this came out. I am not a pink person at all, but I think it came out gorgeous. I think I did a good mix of cute and spooky. And I ended up painting the inside black because you could see the green through. So I painted the whole inside black, which is different from the last time you guys saw it. And then this is what it looks like. I have a shaker mix up here. This is the 31 collection from Prima and Frank Garcia Studios. And then I have some more of that mesh webbing right here with some bat ribbon that I had in my stash. And then I painted the bottom black as well. And then you guys have seen this coffin before, but I jazzed it up. So my crafty bestie sent me this coffin and I absolutely loved it. And what I did was I added some of the Dollar Tree rub-ons. So I put the book down here, and I should have probably placed it a little bit better. I wanted it to be like, you know, somebody opened the book and then the haunted house came out of the book. So that's why I have the book right here and the kind of the haunted house on top. And then I added these little ghosties right here. I added the moon and I added the spider web. And then on the side over here, I added this coffin, the trick or treat, and this skull. And then on this side, I added the spider and the potion bottles. So that was all that I did. Was I took the coffin and I just added a bunch of Dollar Tree rub-ons to it. And then the next one I have was, this one was sent to me and they sent me just the coffin. So I went ahead and I decorated it. So I added that web mesh up here, and then I added this little witch, and then I did puff her up on some puffy tape. And then these bones were sent to me. They were in this coffin right here. So I added one bone and then I cut it in half, and then I added the other one over here, and then I added that little spider gemmy that was also sent to me by my crafty bestie. So there's that one. And then for my trick or treat bag, here is what I created. So I got this trick or treat bag from the dollar store. So actually it was blank on this side and it came with markers for, you know, the kids can color and decorate it, but I didn't use that side. I used the blank side. And then what I did was I added this little eyelash trim with this pink bell, and then I have this tassel right here that I have on a pink jump ring, and then I just added some beads to, and then I just laced it through the handle. And then over here we have this big doily, a banner, a rosette, and then there is actually some of that mesh in the background. And then I added, this is a wood piece, and since it had a hole right here, I added the little witch charm right here to dangle out of that little hole right there. I was going to cover it with like a flower or a rhinestone, but I decided to just actually use it as is and then dangle this little witchy charm. And then this is part of the 31 collection. Just says pumpkins. Here's that amazing mesh that I got from Joann's. Oh man, I wish I could find more of this stuff. I've used it in, I think, every single one of my Halloween projects. So I definitely should have bought 2 of those because I just love it. And then these are some Prima flowers over here. And then I just added the Prima flowers over here. And then this is a green gemmy that my crafty bestie Laura V Crafty sent me. So, oh yeah, and then I just added this little thick ribbon in the background because that's what I have that is gluing down my mesh. Was I glued it just right here along the edge. So those are my project shares for today. Like I said, it was to do a 3D coffin or a treat bag, so I did both here. And then the last thing I wanted to share was my amazing mother made me a little gnome witch. How cute is she? She is so cute. So here's her little hair and her little nose and her little feetsies. I think she's so cute. I wanted to like maybe glue her down like this or add like a spider. My mom told me to definitely add a spider since that's more me and my style, but I don't know if I like her hat just pointing straight up, so I might tweak her and glue her hat down maybe like that and then add like a spider over here. So I don't know, we'll see, but I thought she was so adorable. I thought that was so sweet of her to make me a little gnome. So cute and so fluffy. And I love that her hair is green. I saw my mom making it, but I didn't think anything of it. Like, I didn't think like, oh, that's for me. Because she makes things all the time and, gives them to other people. So I thought that was really sweet of her to make me a little gnomey homie. So that is my project share for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween, you guys. I hope you guys are eating lots of candy and sweet treats today. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.